Hi there, students. So, what is the difference between irk and vex? And this one's for Naif, who asked the question. Okay, let's first look at all the associated word. Something irks you. To irk, a verb. He was irked by this, an adjective. Irksome, also an adjective. Okay, and then vex, to vex, a verb. Vexing, something that vexes. Vexed, how you feel. And vexatious as well. Okay, so to irk means to annoy. So this situation irks me. The negative comment that he made irked me. It made me angry. It annoyed me. Yeah, but notice to irk is not to make very angry. It's just to make a bit angry. To vex can also mean to make angry, but also if something vexes you, it can be something that either makes you angry or it makes you upset. It's problematic. It causes problems. So, for example, COVID is likely to vex us for many years to come. Here I've used it meaning to trouble us, to give us difficulties. Maybe to make us angry as well. But COVID is something that will irk us for many years in the future. This is definitely to make us angry or upset about something. Okay, so notice, irk has the idea of to make somebody angry. Vex also to make angry, but also to give problems to give difficulties to. The plan was vexed by difficulties from the start. So to cause trouble to somebody. I'm thinking of a vexatious lawsuit. So somebody takes out a vexatious lawsuit. This means that the only reason they're taking out this lawsuit is to annoy and cause difficulties for the person they're taking it out against. If it was an irksome lawsuit, it would be annoying, yeah? But maybe it would also be valid. Okay, so a vexing problem, yeah, is something that it troubles you. It's a difficult problem to solve. Whereas an irksome problem is one that annoys you. Yeah, this irks me. Yeah, he felt very irked. Yeah, because the problem was vexing. Okay, and I think that's really the difference between the two. So we can use both words meaning something that annoys us, something that irks or vexes us. But then I think vex can also have the meaning of things that cause us trouble, that are problematic and probably annoying at the same time, yeah? But maybe they are reasonable, okay? So, a question, how formal is to irk or to vex? I think I would probably give them both a 6 in formality. Maybe irk is a little bit more formal than vex, but I think you could use both of them in an informal conversation. And then as to origin, well, vex comes from the Latin verb vexare, to disturb, to agitate, to annoy. Whereas the word irk comes from Old Norse jerka, to work. Yeah, so irk, work, you can hear the similarity. And this Norse word originally comes from Proto-Indo-European word, to work again. Okay, so something that irks you, it irritates you. It irks me to have to do this again because somebody has been careless with it. Yeah, it could vex you to do it again, but we've been vexed by the same problem again and again. We've been troubled by it. Okay, so irksome, something that gets your goat, whereas vexing, it could get your goat as well, but it's something that troubles you. It bothers you. Yeah, it causes you distress, and that's why it's vexing. So I think something that's vexing has more the idea of trouble and distress, whereas irksome, to make angry. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, to irk versus to vex.